solar cell. My name is Chandrika. I will discuss about the solar cell. Solar cell is a PN junction diode, so which converts light energy into electrical energy. So the solar cell which converts light energy into electrical energy without noise or pollution. So the solar cell is nothing but a PN junction diode. So we take a PN junction diode. When light exposed on the PN junction diode, so the charge carriers diffuse it to the junction. So that means positive, negative. So that due to the positive and negative ions, the electric field should be exist. So that electric field, we get a photocurrent. We get current. So that current due to the photons. So that is called photocurrent. It depends on incident photon intensity. So the photocurrent will depends on incident photon intensity. So the current obtained from the solar cell is I equal to minus I photon plus I naught e raised to h mu by gamma kt minus 1. So the short circuit diagram of the solar cell is given by RSH. So the output power from the solar cell is 0. So when we adjusting load resistance, the output efficiency of the solar cell is efficiency eta equal to output optimum at operating point by energy input to junction into 100. Output optimum at operating point by energy input to junction into 100. Then we get a efficiency of the solar cells. So the solar cell have a 4 types of characteristics. First one, short circuit current. So the short circuit current means when we take a junction, when the two terminals of the junctions are shorted to each other, the maximum current flows through the circuit when voltage becomes 0 is called short circuit current. Next one, open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage. So that means when the junctions of the two terminals are kept open, when the maximum voltage across the junction, when the current flows through the circuit is 0. So the maximum voltage across the junction when the two terminals are kept open, then the current will be 0. Next, third one, fill factor. So third one, fill factor. So the fill factor, it is the ratio of output power to the ideal power. So that equal to, fill factor equal to Vm into Im by open circuit voltage into short circuit current. So which is fill factor. And last one, efficiency. So efficiency equal to the ratio of output power to the input power. So the output power equal to open circuit voltage into short circuit current into fill factor by P radiation. Next, when we connect solar cells in a series and parallel, for a single solar cell, for a single solar cell, voltage along x-axis, current along y-axis. So the voltage, the open circuit voltage is equal to 0.6 volts. Short circuit current is 0.8 amperes for a single solar cells. When cells are connected in series, cells are connected in series. So that means plus minus, plus minus. In series connection, the minus terminal connected to the plus terminal connected to the minus terminal. This is series connections. In this series connection, voltage should be added 0.6, 0.6. That means 1.2 volts. Current should be remain same, 0.8 amperes. Next, when cells are connected in parallel, cells are connected in parallel. When cells are connected in parallel, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So in parallel connection, current should be added. That means 1.6 amperes. Voltage should be same, 0.6 volts. The cells are connected in both series and parallel. Cells are connected in both series and parallel. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Series connection, series connection. Plus 2 plus, minus 2 minus. So that means series connection we get, and also parallel connection. So these two series connection we get 1.2 volts. These parallel connection we get 1.6 amperes. So in graph we get like this, 1.2 volts, 1.6 amperes. So the series connection and parallel connection of a solar cell is over. Next one, mismatching cell or module. So mismatching cell or module. So the mismatching cell or module due to two electrical parameters. They are open circuit voltage and short circuit current. So mismatch means difference. So the difference in voltage or difference in short circuit current. So the mismatch in series connection. Mismatching series connection. So the mismatch in series connection, we have two graphs. OC1, OC2, ISC. ISC1, ISC2. Open circuit voltage. So the output current, so the output voltage is equal to the sum of voltages of the two cells. The output current is equal to the sum of currents of the two cells. So the mismatch in series connection. So in series connection, voltage should be added. So the mismatching only open circuit voltage mainly occurred. So the mismatch in series connection, we have also hot spots in the module. Hot spots in module. When we connect solar cells in a series connection, when we connect series connection, we get shaded shell and non-shaded shells. shaded shell or non-matched cell. So the shaded shell does not get damaged, it gives a good result. If the shaded shell gets damaged, it does not give good result. That means hotspot occurring due to in shaded shell. The power dissipated due to the non-shaded shells which cause a heating. So the heating power increased in the module. So the heating power causes current. So the current increases in the module which gives a current increases in the shaded shells. So that gives a hot spots in the module. So to reduce these hot spots, we introduce another device which is called bypass diode. Which is called bypass diode. Which is called bypass diode. The bypass diode are used to avoid hot spots. Or line affecting in